G'day, I'm Wayne. I'm in southern New South Wales, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Rod Ingersoll, who's helped me create what I've got here today in this aquaponics garden. Rod has been a tremendous help for me and a real inspiration. His knowledge and expertise in the field are second to none. He's been there all the time for whenever I've needed some help, some advice, some questions answered. And for someone that would have never have seen themselves being an aquaponics farmer, gardener, or anything else in the aquaponics field, I wouldn't have believed that I could be standing here doing this today. Rod's been an enormous help to be able to get this up and going off the ground. Where at first it seemed like a daunting task, he helped put that all at ease and walk me through the whole process and inspire me to keep going, keep getting bigger, and expand my setup. Even to now looking at how I might be able to use some of these concepts on my farm and even take it to the next level again. So he's been someone that I've looked to constantly for his help in this area, and I know he's always encouraged by what I'm doing, by how I'm changing, growing, and where I'm up to now. And he's always encouraged to see photos of where I'm up to, and I know anyone else that's having to go also, he's really keen to see their progress and how they're going. So I'm sure that he'll be an enormous help for anyone who's willing to listen. I've always loved veggies, having fresh veggies that we can feed the family with, and always loved fish. But I was never saw myself as someone that could keep fish or even farm them. I thought there was quite a science behind it, and it was quite a bit in it and keeping them alive and all that. But Rod's convinced me otherwise. His help has made me realise that it's quite possible to do. His help along the way, he's made something that what might have looked like a big deal, a big ordeal, be quite possible.